yung 11, nang-o-onset talaga, hindi nagbibigay ng tamang informasyon, then I don't think the President wants this. And I continue to extend a hand of working together professionally. But I really think he's not getting the right information. So I do hope that the senior officials in the cabinet will be able to get the right information and throw the right information. Because one, yung 11, nang-o-onset talaga, hindi nagbibigay ng tamang informasyon, then there are forces, spiritual and physical forces in this nation that wants to keep us poor, that wants to corrupt, that wants to take out hope. So where I started, that's where I'll end. Don't lose faith, mga kababayan. Have faith. Don't lose hope, mga kababayan. So Christians, Muslim, anuman ang ating paniniwala, keep praying. Malaki ang pag-asa ng ating bansa, but we have to get things done.